Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, I want to say a big thank you to you for clicking on this video. I make videos on makeup, and as well I do hair tutorials for those who want to learn how to do hair. And I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see, please do not forget to press the bell down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. So today's video is going to be a DIY. I have seen this DIY all over YouTube, and I decided to give it a try and see if it really works. So what you're supposed to use for this DIY is supposed to take a baking soda, a bowl, a cotton ball, and a cup of water, and a tablespoon. And what you're supposed to do is, with this mixture, is supposed to remove all the hairs in your bodies that you do not want to be there, and stop you from shaving. It's a natural way of getting rid of body hair. So I decided to give it a try. Stay tuned and let's get started. So you're supposed to bring 1 cup of water in a pot, make it boil, and you're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to it and bring it to boil for a few seconds. It shouldn't be nothing less more than 30 seconds or up to a minute. So that is what I did. I make the water boil, and I put the tablespoon of baking soda in my boiling water. Guys, you have to know I don't really have hair on my body. My hairs are very thin. You can barely see them, but I wanted to just give it a try and see if it really works. So I let the the baking soda and the waters boil for like 30 seconds. And what I did, I took a bowl and I poured that mixture into a bowl just to sit there to cool down before I use it. Please do not use it while it's hot. Bring it to cool and before you use it, because you don't want to get your skin burned. So as you can see here, my mixture was very clear. From 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of what is it called, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, my mixture was very clear. So I went back and I added what is it called, I added more baking soda to it. So I used like 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons to get to that thickness that I want. So I took a cotton balls. I didn't have no cotton balls. I just took like a hand towel, and I took the mixture and I started rubbing it in a circular motion on the part that I wanted to get rid of the hair. As you can see, my hair is very thin. You can barely see it. I will have to bring it very close to the camera so that you guys can see it. So after you do that, you're supposed to wait for like 5 minutes, let it dry up, and you're supposed to take another cotton ball and wipe that all off. And you're supposed to do this for 3 days. Like 3 days you're supposed to put this on the part that you want to get rid of. As you can see, my hair was still there. I could show you guys, I could see my thin hair on the first day. On the second day it was still there, and on the third day it was still there. But there is one thing I have to admit, my skin was so soft after I did this, and when I look at the tissue, I saw some dead skin, like it was dark, and I saw that it was really exfoliating my skin. But the hair didn't come out. As you can see, I'm pulling on them and they didn't come out. This was just the first day. Even the second day it didn't work. The third day it didn't come out. So as I said, it didn't work for me. It may work for you guys. I would say give it a try and see if it works for you. And if you try this DIY out and it works for you, leave a comment down below. And if it did not work for you as well, also leave a comment down below. So that is all about it, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.